So next we're going to use an eye base right on Sherry's lid. And what I'm going to do for this is I'm actually going to use the same brush that I used for her concealer. And I'm going to start right on her eyelid and start to blend that color in. So what this is going to do is, since I want to do more of a flash of color right on her eye, using an eye base, more of a, a cream or a cream shadow, is actually beneficial because it's going to help to hold that color down, and it's going to bring the pigment out more too. Eye bases or cream shadows that are essentially waterproof are also really good for people who tend to perspire on their lids or tend to get a little oily on their eyelids, because once you put a powder right over the top, it's not going to move. So as you can see, I've chosen something that is more, it's just like a soft natural brown for her. But it's not going to alter the color of the bright color that we put over the top. So you just blend that right in, and you can see it sort of creates that sunset effect on her eye. But now we're going to put that pop of color over the top.